Okay, today we're going to start talking about our arthropods. This is phylum Arthropoda or Arthropoda, however you want to say it. And the word comes from the Greek joint and foot, which means that they have jointed feet. We are in the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Arthropoda. The class is Insecta, and the order here for this dragonfly is Odonata. Odonata. But when we look at arthropods in general, we're looking at domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, subkingdom Euzoa, and then we have phylum Arthropoda. We're going to look at the class Trilobita, Chelicerata, Myriapoda, Hexapoda, and Crustacea. Now, this is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. There's more than 1 million species that we know of, and they believe that there are more than of all living species, and that 80% of these are from Arthropoda. This is your insects, your arachnids, and your crustaceans, among others. The two characteristics of arthropods that distinguish them from all other animals is their segmented body and their jointed appendages. We find them everywhere in marine environments, although not so many, freshwater, terrestrial, and even in the air. So they're found everywhere. They are triploblastic, coelomate, and protostomes. But their coeloms are reduced to a real tiny cavity around their reproductive and excretory organs. The dominant body cavity is the hemocoel that's filled with hemolymph, which bathes the organs. And we have distinct segments in the body, and each segment supports at least one pair of appendages. The reason they're so successful and that there are so many of them is that hard exoskeleton, segmentation, and jointed appendages, and they use those appendages for lots of things. Feeding, they use them as sensory structures, they use them for defense, and they also use them to move about for locomotion. Now, the cuticle forms a rigid exoskeleton, and it's composed of a protein called chitin, and they have to shed this chitin exoskeleton periodically as they grow because it's hard and it's rigid and it won't let them get any bigger. The exoskeleton has plates called sclerites on the segments and rings on the appendages to divide them into segments that are separated by joints.